Whether you're looking for a top-load washer or a front-load washer or maybe even a washing machine that has both for ultimate versatility, having the right washing machine can make the mundane laundry task much more convenient, efficient, faster, and even enjoyable. In this video, we'll be comparing the 5 best washing machines that are designed for different kinds of users. We will take into account performance, features, and price, so you can decide which is best for you. All the products on our list were selected based on their own inherent strengths and features. We'll be comparing the GE GTW 465 ASN, Electrolux EFEL 627 UT, Bosch 800 Series 24, Samsung Flex Wash, and the LG Signature WM 9500 HK, which are all great options if you're in the market for a washing machine. We'll break down which washing machine is best for you, and what you can expect to get in return for your money. We'll help you decide if one of the models on our list seems like a great purchase. If you want more information, most updated pricing and the products we mentioned, be sure to check in the link on description. Please subscribe our channel and notify the bell icon. Okay, let's started the video.